So let's talk about functions and relations. What are they and what are the differences? So the very first thing we need to talk about is the definition of a relation. What is that? And a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. Okay? So over here I have a whole bunch of points. 2 and 3, 5 and -4, -3 and 3, 2 and -10. It's just a set of ordered pairs, right? Two numbers in parentheses, and then another two numbers in parentheses, and another two numbers in parentheses. You get the idea, right? So, every single time you have a set of ordered pairs, this is a relation. Very, very simple. So, what is a function then? Well, a function is a special type of a relation. Think of it this way. You have a whole bunch of people. Some you like, some you're indifferent to, some are your friends, right? So they're all in different categories, right? Maybe some of your co-workers if you work, some of your fellow students, you get the idea, right? But what if I only need the ones that are friends, right? That is a relation, right? So that is a function. So a function is a relation with some added conditions to it. And the added condition is extremely simple for our function. A function is a relation where no x repeats itself. So over here, I have a set of ordered pairs. So pairs, of course, it's a relation. So next, I need to figure out, well, is this actually a function? So this is where you look at your x coordinates and only your x coordinates. So I look at 2, 5, -3, and 2. And I'm trying to figure out, hey, do any of these numbers show up more than once? And you can clearly see that number 2 over here shows up twice. So as soon as I see that, hey, number 2 is there more than once, this is not a function. But it's still a relation, right? It's still a relation, but it's just not a function. And of course, if it's not repeated, then it's a function. So to get a better idea of what this is, right? You have a set of all relations you can think of, right? And here's the idea. Only some of them are functions. So if you ever get a question, is this a function, a relation, or both? If it's a relation, then it's a relation. But if it's a function, the answer is always both, right? Because you cannot be a function and not be a relation, right?